Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 Core Ultra driver. So open any browsers to search as it is on the Google search box you can see, and go to this first URL, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. Just right click to new tab and then go to this tab. So you can see this is all the driver, and if you see go to another. So if you show this window like that, so this is automatic. So you just click to download now, so it will detect automatically required driver to your system, and this is manual. So just click to manual, and then you can see this is your separate driver. Then guys, you can see this is the fingerprint driver. Click, and this is fingerprint driver. Okay, just click to download button. Wait few seconds, it will start automatically. You can see here. Yeah, and this is completed. Just single click to setup, then click to yes, then select the languages, only English and other, select OK, and then accept, then next, install, and the next, install, and then close it, finish.